Hi, this is Christy from Digital Spring Insights, and this is a an audit of Rush Contracting LLC. Just a quick overview of the current state of the website. So, as a online business card, it looks fine. I would just move the phone number up to here. So if you want to simply have this as a business card, I think it looks okay. So if I actually look at the metrics for the site, I see that you do have some backlinks, but you're not getting any traffic. So again, if you don't really want people visiting the website, then leaving it as it is now, I think is fine. So um, normally, what we would do is that we would look at a competitor's site, look at their backlinks, look at the power of their page, and also rank for keywords. And that's what we do, is to get those pages, get those websites to the first page of Google. But since that is not your goal, um, it really doesn't matter how many links you have. You really don't need to rank for any keywords if your goal is to not have people visit your website. So again, I think if your goal is that you're perfectly happy with where you are and you're not really looking for a business, I think it looks fine. So let me know if you need anything else, and have a great day. Thanks.